Today, I'm going to show you how I draw an apple tree. I'm going to say the steps out loud when I draw the apple tree. First, I draw the trunk of the tree. Next, I draw the leaves of the tree. Then, I make the apples on the tree. Last, I make a hole for an owl.
Oh, I wish I could make an apple tree like you.
You can! You just have to retell the steps that I did. What did I do first?
First, you drew the trunk of the tree.
What did I do next?
Next, you drew the leaves of the tree.
Then what did I do?
Then, you drew the apples on the tree.
What did I do last?
Last, you drew a hole in the trunk for an owl.
Yep, that's it. Go ahead and try drawing your own tree.
Yay! Let me see. Okay, so I'm going to start here and then, I'm going to see this next step. Okay. Okay, yeah. Ta-da!
Hello, everyone. It's Dr. Linda here. I want you to help me retell the story of how to draw an apple tree. We are going to use sequence words just like Kim and Deepa. Deepa has to think back to the beginning of the story. What do you think Deepa is thinking about? That's right. She's thinking about the trunk of the tree. We see it in her thought bubble. Deepa is thinking that Kim drew the apple tree by starting with the trunk of the tree. Let's choose a sequence word to retell that Kim started with the tree trunk. We have 4 choices. Then, first, last, and next. Which sequence word tells us that Kim started with the tree trunk? Is it then, first, last, or next? Yes, first is the best word because Kim started with the trunk of the tree. She did that first. So we would say, first, Kim drew the trunk of the tree. What is Deepa thinking that Kim drew after she drew the trunk? Yes, that's right. She's thinking about the leaves of the tree. We see that in her thought bubble. Which sequence word can we use to tell what Kim did after she drew the trunk of the tree? Is it then, first, last, or next? Did you pick next or then? Well, guess what? They are both good words to use. I'm going to pick the word next. as the best word, but I also could have used the word then. Next, Kim drew the leaves of the tree. What is Deepa thinking Kim drew after the leaves of the tree? Yes, Deepa is thinking about the apples on the tree. Now let's pick a different sequence word to tell what comes after she drew the leaves of the tree. Is it then, first, last, or next? Yes, let's use then. Then Kim drew the apples on the tree. Now what is Deepa thinking that Kim drew at the end of the sequence? Yes, the final thing Kim drew was a hole in the trunk of the tree for an owl. Now that we are at the end of our sequence, which sequence word is best to use? Then, first, last, or next? Yes, the best sequence word is last because Kim finished drawing the tree when she drew the hole for an owl. Last, Kim drew a hole for an owl. Woo, woo. Now, let's practice telling the whole story in order. First, Kim drew the trunk of the tree. Next, Kim drew the leaves on the tree. Then, Kim drew the apples on the tree. Last, Kim drew a hole for an owl. Woo, woo. Now, you can try using the words to tell about something that you did. You can tell what happened first, what happened next, then, and last. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out some of our other videos.